Week 11, problem 4. Compute an order of magnitude estimate for the frequency of an electromagnetic wave with wavelength equal to the following. Your height. Okay. So I'm going to start with the formula. Same formula I've been using this whole time. So we're going to zoom in a little bit. Here we go. I'm going to say velocity equals distance over time, which equals wavelength times frequency. Now we're looking for wavelength. Wavelength equals velocity, which is c, over frequency. Order of magnitude. Nope, we're looking for frequency. So frequency equals speed of light over wavelength. Okay? So your height. So I'm like maybe 1.5 meters, but I'm going to say I'm 2 meters. Not because I'm insecure, but just because it makes the math easier. That sounds like a justification. So, alright, so we have, it'd be easier if I said that's 3 meters tall. So 1.5 times 10 to the 8th. So they probably have 10 to the 8th over there. And that's the one I'm going to choose. Bam, right there. Pretty high frequency. And that should be similar to the, is some of this? No. Okay. How is this wave classified in the EM spectrum? Alright? I have this not memorized in any way because it's useless to know. But if you need to know for the test, you can memorize it briefly. I would memorize it briefly just before the test. If you're keeping like a list of things to cram in your head before the test, this might be one of them. Check with your TA. I just stick it in your head anyway. Memorize it briefly. Alright. How is this wave classified? So we have wavelength of 10 to the 8th. So let's see here. Frequency, what is 10 to the 8th? So that's like 300 megahertz. There's 100, 10 to the 6, 10 to the 8th. Yeah, okay. I'm going to call that a microwave. Microwave. Or you could also call it a radio wave. That seems reasonable. Okay. The thickness of a sheet of paper. 6 times 10 to the negative 5th millimeters. You know, they could just rounded that to like 10. 1 times 10 to the negative 4th, maybe? Okay, so for the formula, you use the exact same one I had earlier. Clickety-clack, right there. So then we have 3 times 10 to the 8th, 6 times 10 to the negative, I see why they use 6. Thank you, well done. Equals 0.5 times 10 to the negative 13th to the positive 13th. Because the negative 5 becomes a positive 5 on top. So this is the same as 5 times 10 to the negative 1st times 10 to the 13th. Combine the two and we get 5 times 10 to the 12th. So 10 to the 12th. Very small frequency. What is it? Probably VHF, very high frequency. Let's see here. What is a, so giga, that's probably 9 peta. What is it? Petahertz. Okay, I gotta find out what a peta is. Peta, nope. This is not supposed to be the hard part of this question. Google. What is peta? Let's do petahertz. Petahertz is 10 to the 15th. Nope, we don't want petahertz. We want, one below it, tetrahertz. Okay, and we have 5 of them. So 5, so it's right here. We're just going to call it visible light. Make sure real quick. What is a tetrahertz? And that is 10 to the 12th visible light. bam, 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 visible. Is that a D? No, it's a B. Good. All right. That's pretty easy. Looks like they are taking pity on you following the exam. All right. That's it for problem 4. On problem 5.